In today's video, we are going to show you how to get verified on Fanvue. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is, once you are logged in, I want you to go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the Become a Creator, which is a required step before you can post any content on the platform. Now, this includes full identity verification. Okay? Now, all I have to do is click the verify and start earning. Because what will happen is you will be forwarded here in the first step, which is click the start earning. You need to enter if you were referred and put in the code for that. For example, we are going to put in a specific code. Okay, click the continue button. Now, after that is the country of residency. Okay, you can choose from any of the following and then click the continue button. Now, you need to select your creator type. Is it going to be like an AI content, which means primarily you are using AI to create some tools, or if you are a human creator wherein content will be yourself, click the second option. And then, of course, you need to make sure that you select the appropriate content for the audience. Is it going to be like adult themes, which is intended for mature audiences, or general content, which is suitable for all audiences of all ages? For example, the second option, I'm just going to click the continue. And of course, you need to create your name and handle. If you want to skip that for now, it's okay. And then you need to set your subscriptions price. And put in right here, or if you're not comfortable yet, just click the skip for now. And the last option is verifying your identity. It's super simple because if I click the button right here, okay, you need to make sure to enter a valid mobile number or scan QR code, whichever you prefer. If you want to scan the QR code, you need to use your mobile device. But if you're not happy with that, click the try another method wherein you just have to provide a mobile number of your choice. Click the send button, you will receive a code. And then once you've done that, you're good to go and your account will be fully verified. And basically that's it on how to get verified on Fanvue. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.